Welcome back, third graders. Happy Monday. For today's math, let's go ahead and make sure you have all your materials. So you'll simply just need your math notebook and a pencil. So go ahead, hit the pause button, gather everything that you need, and play when you're ready. Okay, let's continue. Today we're going to continue talking about measurement. Just to quickly recap, we've already talked about 3 different types of measurement. We've talked about measuring the length to find out how long something is. We've talked about and measured perimeter, the distance around something. And last week we started talking about area. An area simply is measuring the amount of space within given boundaries. So let's continue talking about area and just kind of recap what we did last week. Okay, here's our definition to keep it fresh. So when we look at something that you completed last week, you were finding the measurement of the space within an object. You also probably realized that if you counted the sides, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and multiplied them, that gave you the same answer as if you just counted them one by one. Okay, so today we're going to kind of expand on that knowledge that area really is multiplying the 2 side lengths together. So go ahead and let's get your math notebook out. Open it up to your next clean page. And keeping this in mind, that area equals length times width, let's try some practice problems. Okay, so go ahead and let's draw a square of some sort or a rectangle in your notebook. We are not going to take the time to draw all the squares in between. So let's pretend that this is our kitchen floor. And this one side is 5 feet long. This side of our kitchen is 4 feet long. And I want to order some tile to put on the floor. I need to know how much to buy. I need to know the measurement of this space. So knowing what we now know, that area equals length times width, instead of drawing in those boxes, we can simply multiply to find our answer. So let's go ahead and record area equals length times width. Notice how I do a cursive L? That's because I don't want it to look like the number 1. All right, let's continue. Area equals 5 times 4. Area equals 20 square feet. So the area of this kitchen floor is 20 square feet. That's how much I would need to buy. How much tile I would need to buy. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, this time let's pretend it is my TV room. And I want to order a nice rug for my TV room. Okay, there's my room. Go ahead and draw it. And let's say it's one side is 10 feet. The other side is 6 feet. And I want to figure out how much rug can I order for this space. Okay, so again, knowing that area equals length times width, let's record that. Length times width, 10 times 6, area equals 60 square feet. The only thing you need to remember here is that area is the space inside, and to find the area, you simply multiply length times width. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so draw another rectangle in your book. This time it's my garden. And I need to know how much soil I want to put in the inside of my garden. Okay, so let's say my garden is 8 feet on one side and 4 feet on the other. Okay, let's try to solve the area. Area is length times width. Area equals 8 times 4. Area equals 32 square feet. Okay, I'm going to have you do a couple practice problems before we end for the day. Okay, so make sure you have some space. Turn the page if you need to. Okay, let's try these two. Okay, let's say this is my bedroom and I want to put some hardwood flooring in there. Let's say this is 9 feet by 8 feet. Okay, so solve to find the area. And we'll do another one over here. So solve these two. This one will be a bathroom, and I want to put tile in the bathroom. So let's say this is about 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so keep in mind the area equals length times width. Go ahead and solve the area of these two rooms. Hit pause, and when you're ready to check your work, hit play. Okay, let's check your work. So area equals length times width. Area equals 9 times 8. The area of my bedroom, 72 square feet. I would need 72 square feet of hardwood flooring for my bedroom. Okay, let's try the bathroom. Area equals length times width. Area equals 4 times 4. Area equals 16 square feet. You can see that knowing your multiplication facts is really important at this point. Square feet. Okay, so just to quickly recap, today when you go off to work, you are going to be finding the area of certain shapes, just like we practiced today. Okay, here's something I want you to remember and maybe record at the top of your paper when it's time to work. That area equals length times width. Okay, go ahead, good luck with that. Have a good day, and I'll see you Tuesday.